So welcome back. This is a tutorial on how to use FlipGrid. So if you are teaching a speaking class, this is a great tool here. You can go to info.flipgrid.com, or you can just do a quick Google search for FlipGrid, FlipGrid, and that will take you right here. So let's take a look. First of all, you need to sign up, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the educator sign up right there and click on that. So as long as you have a Google account, you can just go ahead and sign up very quickly with your very own Google account, and then you'll choose the account that you want to use. So I'll use my school account here, and it's preparing my FlipGrid experience right now. Once we get our FlipGrid assigned, so I'm going to go ahead and start my grid here, and the what I'm going to name here is I'm just going to call my FlipGrid Ego right there. Okay, and what you have to do after that is you have to select a grid type. Is it a school email, a student ID, or an educator learning community? I prefer to have the educator learning community with this. Okay, so I'll click on this one here, and then I've got a flip code right here, and that's what I would send out to my students if I want them to join my FlipGrid classroom here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and hit next. Add a password. It's optional for this one. I'm just going to leave it off. If you want to do it, you can absolutely set up your own password, and my FlipGrid is now ready. So you want to highlight that one, and you'll copy this one. So now that this is copied, you can also embed this. If you want to embed this into your LMS, you can put it into share with Microsoft Teams or Classroom, also send out remind. So we can go to our grid at this point. This is what it looks like. I've got my Ego grid, and the very first thing I'll have to do is add a new topic. Okay, so I'll add in my topic here, and I'll say that this one is my very first speaking task. Task 1. Okay, and I'll say record your introduction. Okay, so we can record our introduction, and you can set your recording time 1 minute and 30 seconds. You can do a 3 minute up to 10 minutes. I prefer to keep it with the suggested one at about 1.5 minutes. What we're going to do here is create our very first topic, and my topic is ready. So what I've got here is a FlipGrid. This is my FlipGrid code. This is my join code, and I'll copy this, and now I can put this into my LMS, or I can email this out to all my students. Okay, so I will show you how it looks from the student's side right now. Okay, so I'm looking at this from a student's perspective now, and you've sent out your FlipGrid code to your students, and they can open this one up. They will have to download the app. So once they go and they can go to the green plus button and open your FlipGrid in the app, and they can go ahead and log in with their Google accounts. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, good. So I can see right now that I've got my my phone is ready to go, and I'll go ahead and record my speaking task 1, which was said to be my introduction. And the students would just click on record right here. So, hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is John, and I'm recording the 2-minute tech tip for you guys. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and submit that one. You can put in all kinds of different emojis if you want to, and you can continue to record it up to 1.5 minutes there. They can also check it. They can preview it if they want. Okay, and once they like it, they can shoot a selfie. There is my selfie right there. They would type in their name, and I'll add a title, and I'll say intro. I'll call this one intro. Attach a link. I don't need to do that, and I'll submit my link, and I can return to my grid. Okay, so from the teacher's perspective now, I should see that I've got one video that's come up, and there we go. We've got my John right there. No one's viewed John yet, but we've got here, we can see that it's active, right here, and the teacher can take a look at it. So, hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is John, and I'm recording the 2-minute tech tip for you guys. Okay, and now you can give some feedback on this video if you want to. You can give use your microphone to give some feedback. If you want, you can record. You have 5 minutes to record your very own feedback right there. And then you can go ahead and hit next. Okay, and click on your selfie if you want to as well. Okay. All right, so you can give video feedback to your students right there very quickly, and it should upload. There we go. And we can see that I've got some video feedback for my students. So all the students in the class can, I'll close this part out. You can give different emojis if you want. You can type in different sorts of feedback in here with the, here's the comments, ideas, performance. You can give it a 1 to 5. And then of course, give them some comments on their videos that they upload. Okay, so you'll see all of your students populate right here, and then you can have your students comment on their classmates as well. So this is a very quick tutorial on how to use FlipGrid. I highly recommend it. It's an excellent way to grade speaking tasks if you're teaching online. Hope this is helpful, guys. Please give me a thumbs up, and do feel free to subscribe. It really helps me out. And let me know in the comments down below as well if there are any other videos that you would like to see. Thanks a lot, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.